Hardscaping is a brutal industry. It's hard on your back and your body. Most of you guys have purchased a single tool from us, and we thank you for that. But what we really believe is that you should purchase it as a package and use the systems that we've put out there to increase your efficiency. So not only are you saving on the job site, but you're also going to be saving because we're running Black Friday deals. The first package we're going to run through is the paver laying package. Pavers don't just make it magically from the pallet over to the laying phase, so we could simply use the VME T-handle package to lay those pieces in place. We need hauling equipment, so we have the quickie lifters and the slab, also a part of that package to get the pavers over to the guy using that T-handle package to install them. And to top it off, we have the Sim 60 to make minute adjustments, and this is a great package for laying pavers. The next package that we're going to run through is the wall install package. Now, retaining walls can be grueling to install and also very important to get right the first time. Rebuilding a retaining wall is no fun. So starting with our wall screed system is going to allow you to get a perfectly level base course without hitting every single piece. Then we're going to jump over to the BL180. That's going to allow you to take pieces, bring them into place using an excavator or doing it by hand to speed up the efficiencies of laying that base course. Once we're course up, we jump over to the BL450, being able to pick 3 or 4 units at a time, speeding up the efficiencies by 3 to 4 times. Next, we have the Sim 80 to make minor adjustments, straightening your walls, getting them perfect. And to cap it off, no pun intended, we have the parallel marking gauge, allowing you to mark your caps efficiently and effectively with perfect results every single time. This is a great package to get into building retaining walls and to get you on the right foot.
I want to next talk about the stone marking package. This is a package, again, we're trying to get these systems in place when it comes to marking. You automatically have all the tools in your arsenal that are going to be handy for you to get products marked quickly and efficiently. Just for example, our tracer, simple product. When you have those serpentine walkways, you could still lay out the 1/8, but this is simply going to transfer over to the other side instantly in just a matter of a minute or even 2, where you can mark that entire other side quickly and efficiently. Also has a hole on the end where you can swing all your different type of radiuses on a job site, say for a fire pit, a circular fire pit area. Parallel marking gauge, Caleb just got done explaining that in the wall package, so that's a great product for marking pavers and whatnot. Also our scribes, it's one of our first products that we came up with for marking, and that can be for marking, say around a pool coping, being able to mark in your border stone, scribing up against boulders. You can simply mark and transcribe those lines off a rough stone onto your product, whether it be a wall, whether it be pavers, or whether it be a step. It also has the various degrees built into the tool, so you can use it for mitering and for marking square products and whatnot. We also have our package of 25 paver pencils, which works with all our marking tools. Lastly, I want to talk about the #1 edging package. This is a great package for completing your jobs with the proper products, including the sand plow that's going to kick away your bedding layer away from your pavers, giving you a perfectly level setting bed. For the edging, comes with a bundle of 100 linear feet of the hybrid edging. It also comes with the quickie hammer bit. This is going to allow you to install those spikes or the hybrid stake, whichever you choose. This is the ultimate package. Again, it's going to do your dense grade or your open grade, prevent the uplift and lateral creep. Keep in mind, every one of these packages will come with the trucker hat just for you. If you have any questions in regards to any of these packages, be sure to call. We can help you through it, whether it be the package itself and the tools, or it be the process of getting that product installed. We can help you out. So be sure to check with your local dealers. You can always go to pavetool.com. We can get these packages to you. By purchasing these in a package form, you can save up to 20%. And we, the Pave Tool family, want to wish you and your family a blessed Thanksgiving holiday. Enjoy. You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.